Say goodbye to your heavy, expensive, old-fashioned lawnmower. Introducing the all-new 2026 lightweight cordless lawnmower. Certified by Advanced Gardening Labs, it delivers incredible efficiency that redefines yard maintenance. What used to take days now takes minutes. You can clear a 100 square meter weed patch in just 3 minutes, tackling a whole week of gardening work in a single morning. It's powered by an 1,800-watt industrial-grade pure copper high-performance motor, delivering an impressive 6,000 RPM. Combined with constant torque technology, it slices through lawns, thick branches, and dense overgrowth in a single pass. No repetitive trimming needed. You can manage a massive field in half the time. The best part? The ultra-lightweight body weighs just 1.45 kilograms, making it significantly lighter than traditional gas mowers. Seniors and women can easily operate it with one hand. Plus, with an adjustable telescopic pole ranging from 90 to 120 centimeters, there's no need to bend over. Mowing your lawn becomes as effortless as taking a walk, fully backed by ergonomic design recommendations. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery, it offers remarkable runtime to cover up to 5,000 square meters on a single charge. Built with premium industrial-grade materials, it features a specialized rust-proof design engineered to perform smoothly on damp hillsides, wetlands, and rocky terrains, ensuring exceptional long-term durability. We've also upgraded it with advanced noise reduction technology, keeping the operating volume below 60 decibels. Now you can tidy up your yard early in the morning without disturbing your neighbors, while the ergonomic handle ensures your hands stay comfortable and fatigue-free. Shipped directly from the factory, we are now offering an exclusive introductory discount with a 15-day risk-free trial. Quantities are limited, and the price will revert soon. Click the link below to claim yours now.